Welcome back to another fun episode of Vocab with Aileen, where words are fun and full of adventure. Are you ready to discover a mystery word that sounds like it belongs in a castle story?
Oh yeah!
So, the word of the day is IMMURE. IMMURE? What does it mean? IMMURE means to lock someone inside a place, especially by walls, so they can't get out.
Oh no!
It's like being trapped inside a room or building.
Oh my god.
For example, the old story said a ghost was immured behind the castle wall. Or the knight was immured in a dark dungeon but stayed brave. Fun tip. Immure is usually used in stories about castles, adventures, or mysteries. So it's a great word for storytelling.
Amazing.
And that's all for today. So, now it's your turn, friends, to see if you can use IMMURE in your own fun and spooky story. Keep shining, keep learning, and keep growing your super vocabulary powers. With Vocab with Aileen. Bye!